Hello everyone, welcome to the Crypto Intel channel. Today we'll look back at the initial success of Hbar's DeFi platform at the BID Miami conference. Before we start the video, I'd like to ask you to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and click the bell icon so you can always stay up to date on what's happening in the market. It takes you literally a second, but for me it's motivation to improve the quality and level of the videos on the channel. We have a lot to discuss, so let's get started right away. As of May 8, 2026, the Hbar coin remains in a protracted accumulation phase after a sharp decline from local highs at the beginning of the year. The market is currently at a very interesting point, as the price is squeezed between important support and resistance zones, and volatility is gradually compressing. These market segments typically serve as a prelude to a strong move. Hbar is currently trading around 9 to 10 cents. The main problem for buyers is that the asset has not yet been able to consolidate above the psychological $0.10 zone. The market has tested this level several times already. Each breakout was followed by a quick pullback. This suggests that sellers are still in control of the short-term structure. From a global perspective, the Hbar structure currently resembles a classic consolidation before an impulse. Volumes are gradually declining and the price is moving within a narrowing range. This pattern often appears before a strong breakout in one direction or another. From a technical perspective, there are several key levels currently being monitored by the market. The first major support is around $0.088 to $0.09. This range has held the price steady for several months. As long as the Hbar remains above it, bulls still have a chance of a reversal. However, if sellers break through this area, the next strong support is around $0.08 or even $0.075. In this case, a full-blown capitulation of altcoins could begin. The main resistance is currently at $0.10 to $0.101. A breakout of this level could be the first signal of a new upward movement. Many analysts view this range as a trigger for a potential increase of 30 to 50%. The next target after the breakout is around $0.12. This is the area where significant selling has previously begun. If the Hbar can consolidate above 12 cents, the market could very quickly accelerate to 15 cents to 16 cents. These levels are currently considered the main targets of the medium-term bullish scenario. Now let's look at the indicators. The RSI on the daily time frame is in neutral territory. This means the market is not yet overheated or oversold. Buyers still have room to rally, but there's no strong momentum yet. The MACD remains mixed and periodically shows weakness among buyers. This is why the Hbar hasn't yet fully broken out of its sideways trend. Looking at volumes, they're currently lower than during previous pumps. This suggests that large capital is still taking a wait-and-see approach. But there's an important point here. The longer the price squeeze continues, the stronger the subsequent momentum usually is. It's also interesting that the project continues to develop fundamentally. Hedera remains one of the few crypto projects actively working with the corporate sector. The market continues to monitor the implementation of Hedera's solutions by large companies and the development of DeFi within the ecosystem. If strong news on institutional use of the network emerges, this could be a catalyst for the price to break out of accumulation. It's also important to consider the overall crypto market situation right now. Hbar remains highly dependent on Bitcoin's performance. While Bitcoin remains uncertain, altcoins aren't gaining enough strength for a full-blown growth season. However, if Bitcoin consolidates above key levels and the market enters a risk-on phase again, Hbar could show very aggressive movement as the coin has been under pressure for a long time. Now let's break down the scenarios. A bullish scenario looks like this. Hbar holds support at $0.09, then breaks through $0.10 to $0.101 on increased volume. This opens the way first to $0.12 and then to $0.15 to $0.16. If the altcoin season is strong, the market could even attempt to return to the $0.18 to $0.20 range in the coming months. A bearish scenario begins with a break of the $0.088 level. Then the likelihood of a decline to $0.08 and below increases. If the cryptocurrency market enters a full-fledged correction, Hbar could quickly fall to $0.07 to $0.06. To summarize, Hbar is currently at a point of maximum tension. The market has been forming a base for several months, and breaking out of this consolidation could determine the movement for the entire summer of 2026. For now, the structure remains neutral with a cautious bullish bias, but the final direction will depend on whether the price can consolidate above 10 cents. What your plans, hopes, and expectations are for it. The best and most engaging comment will be featured in the next video. Just a reminder, friends, informational and news videos are posted on the channel every day, so you won't get bored here. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so you're always up to date on all the latest news. And if you liked this video, please support me with a like. Your like is my motivation. Thanks to everyone for watching and see you next time.